सो आपका फर्स्ट स्टाइलिंग प्रोजेक्ट कैसे मिला एंड कैसे शुरुआत हुई थी?
It was long ago. My friends were doing some film with Himesh Reshamya. So
Okay.
I just started assisting.
When was the first acting break? Because आपने थिएटर भी किया हुआ है.
Theatres I always wanted to do. मुझे मुंशी प्रेमचंद की कहानियाँ पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता था and I met somebody. He guided me through. He trained me and suddenly one day we decided कि मुंशी प्रेमचंद की स्टोरी पे ये प्ले कर लेते हैं. तो स्त्री और पुरुष नमक का दरोगा were like fabulous stories and I performed.
So आपने काफ़ी सारे एड फिल्म्स किए हैं एज अ स्टाइलिस्ट. हाउ डिफरेंट आर स्टाइलिंग फॉर एन एड फिल्म एंड एक फिल्म?
Styling for ad film, it's a, you can say, quicker assignment. It's a, styling has a brief and that brief is mostly there for all the, ad films, But movies, I would say, is magic. Movie gives you a lot of liberty.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ 4 PM बॉलीवुड और मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट हर्षिता. हर एक एपिसोड में मैं लेकर आती हूं एक नए सेलिब्रिटी और आज मेरे साथ एक कोई ऐसा इंसान है जिनको फैशन सेंस तो इतनी अच्छी है कि वो स्टाइलिंग में भी रह चुके हैं और खुद वो इतने अच्छे दिखते थे कि अब वो एक एक्ट्रेस भी है. सो विदाउट फर्दर डिले, इंट्रोड्यूसिंग यू गाइस टू नेहा चावला. Hi Neha, welcome
Hi.
to 4 PM Bollywood.
Thank you so very much. How are you?
I'm good. आप कैसे हो? क्या चल रहा है
मैं
आजकल?
बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. Having fun, doing what I love, and I think I'm here today with you. So yeah.
जैसे मैंने इंट्रोडक्शन में भी बोला कि आप स्टाइलिंग में थे एंड
Yes.
स्टाइलिंग इज लाइक बिहाइंड द स्क्रीन
Yes.
एंड ऑन स्क्रीन. तो ये ट्रांजिशन कैसे हुआ?
Actually, to be honest, acting was always meant to be. I have मैं सिटी में सिर्फ एक्टिंग करने ही आई थी एंड स्टाइलिंग इसलिए हो गया बिकॉज आई यूज टू रियलाइज दैट आई ऑलवेज हैड अ नैक फॉर फैशन.
वो दिख रहा है लाइक योर स्टैक.
I just can't go without I love to accessorize myself. Accessories पहनना, experiment करना with my outfit is something which I used to do बचपन से. So वो तो था, but always I used to, my first love is acting. So you can say acting is my marriage. Like I'm in love with acting, but styling was an affair. So yeah, you can put it that way. And also I've noticed in this world wherever you see a huge celebrity, somebody who has attracted the entire world, let's say Michael Jackson or Elvis, they have an X factor. They are something. उनमें वो बात है, वो celebrities हैं, but they always had their own sense of styling.
Right.
So I think it just happened. And मेरे कुछ friends ऐसी life में destiny में आगे जो somebody was from NIFT, somebody was from Pearl, and my mom was also inclined towards designing. तो मैंने सोचा कि let's give it a try. So it was a detour, but I knew कि वापस तो acting पे ही आना है. So yeah.
सो आपका फर्स्ट स्टाइलिंग प्रोजेक्ट कैसे मिला एंड कैसे शुरुआत हुई थी?
For styling project, it was long ago. My friends were doing some film with Himesh Reshamya. So
Okay.
I just started assisting and it was fun because as a woman you love shopping. And
Of course.
Yes.
And you don't have to pay for it.
No, you. Yes. So it was all taken care of. Go wherever you want to, pick up whatever you want to, and fashion जिसको बहुत पसंद हो तो उसके लिए कुछ नया जर्नी स्टार्ट हो गया हो एकदम से. अभी आप ऑडिशन दे रहे थे, सडनली यू आर बाइंग स्टफ. So it was very exciting and I just as a young girl who comes to Bombay, एक deviation हो गया, healthy deviation. It's another career, another opportunity, so I thought चलो let's give it a shot.
And which film was this?
I think he was shooting for Coffee with Tea at that time.
Okay.
Yeah.
अच्छा, तो और स्टाइलिंग का तो बता दिया. When was the first acting break? Because आपने थिएटर भी किया हुआ है.
Yes.
तो थोड़ा आप उसके बारे में बताइए.
Theatres I always wanted to do. मुझे मुंशी प्रेमचंद की कहानियाँ पढ़ना बहुत अच्छा लगता था and I met somebody. He guided me through. He trained me and suddenly one day we decided कि मुंशी प्रेमचंद की स्टोरी पे ये प्ले कर लेते हैं. तो स्त्री और पुरुष नमक का दरोगा were like fabulous stories and I performed. And it went natural, it was a good experience to be on stage. जब आप स्कूल में सोचते हैं कि when you are on your youth, when you are young, very small,
Teenage.
teenage, sorry. So you are on stage, and then एक dream आता है कि someday I want to be on the bigger stage.
Right.
So that happened, and I think सबसे famous जो जिनकी stories पे play होता है, that is of course मुंशी प्रेमचंद.
राइट. सो ये प्ले आपने किया था, उसके पहले आपने कोई ट्रेनिंग ली टू बिकम एन एक्ट्रेस, एनी कोर्सेज?
वहीं से वो थिएटर ग्रुप ने ही मुझे
अच्छा.
आगे गाइड किया.
सो उसके बाद आपने MX प्लेयर का भी सीरीज शो किया एंड ऑल ऑफ इट. तो वो ट्रांजिशन लाइक बिकॉज थिएटर इज स्टिल अ लिटिल बिट
Yes.
नॉट ऑन स्क्रीन काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. ये फिर कहाँ कैसे शुरू हुआ आपका?
Definitely, I used to make a lot of auditions because ad world के लिए I always wanted to shoot, and एक monologue आ गया तो monologue बना दिया, and somebody somewhere forwarded some auditions, and then Basera got cracked, and that was the audition which I was not supposed to send because I didn't like my hair, and जो मुझे नहीं भेजना था वो मेरे writer friend ने आगे भेज दिया. So he wrote Basera, and director loved it. I said I love the wet look, and I thought it was not wet, it was somewhere messy, but it worked, and I got Basera, and I got thrilled because मैंने अभी career acting का start किया था, and it came on MX, and fabulous feeling, I would say. वहाँ से I decided let me try harder.
Correct.
Yeah.
You get the confidence.
Yeah.
Then what was the next step?
After Basera, I did, I think you can say 3 more short films, and one more. Basera was given by Manoj sir, and 2 films I did they were on MX again with Vicky Kanpur. Then I got Encounter with Fear, which is a mini web series given by Rupesh Kohil. So on and on. And then surprisingly, sorry, I got one fine day styling से ही जो transition होना था. Steve Jobs once said कि in later life when you work hard you'll realize that it's all about connecting the dots.
Correct. Yes.
I got a Punjabi film before COVID. I was styling there, and an associate saw me, and later on when he took an audition, then I got my first web series because he became the director.
Oh,
So,
I
yeah.
think यहाँ पे ऐसा ही होता है. Like honestly, 99% come to become actors, but eventually everybody has to pay bills. तो फिर वो हो जाता है, कोई casting assistant बन जाता है, कोई यहाँ ऐसे.
Yeah, bills is
commonly.
one thing. I would say I was very passionate about fashion. क्योंकि मैंने fashion में कुछ किया ही नहीं था, तो वो opportunity यहाँ मिल गई थी. I was happily doing my modeling. It was like Bombay is a land of opportunities. There's a whole modeling market over here, and that time it was booming, and I was happily doing it. But then as an individual, I'll always feel कि आगे क्या और क्या करे और क्या करे.
Correct.
And then maybe destiny, I never thought of becoming a stylist. I was always in love with acting.
But it
Just God has his own ways, and I was just going with the flow.
100%. So आपने काफ़ी सारे ad films किए हैं as a stylist. How different are styling for an ad film and एक film?
Styling for ad film, it's a, you can say, quicker assignment. Styling has a brief, and that brief is mostly there for all the ad films. But movies, I would say, is magic. Movie gives you a lot of liberty to experiment, explore, and go places. They also have budgets, but they have a time constraint. Movies में you can still have a lot of time at leisure. You can play around.
Got it. आपने एक मलयाली प्रोजेक्ट भी किया है, and considering your name, I think आप पंजाबी हो.
Yeah.
तो ये लैंग्वेज किस तरह से आपने अडेप्ट की, and how did you do it?
First of all, I would like to thank my director for showing so much of faith in me. His name is Abhilash Warrior, and the risk he took, like obviously I was a little, I was so thrilled, but then the language, because of him and the team and the dialogue coach, there was a guy, Neevu Abraham, they made it so simple. Like the experience was like, flowing water. I just went there and they just rated the whole thing, and the dialogue coach helped me a lot.
Wow.
Yeah.
And it was smooth later on?
It was smooth because my, DOP Aman and, my co-actor, Vaishak Ravi, they all were very supportive, be it in terms of food, locations, your outfits, your language, scene, takes, whatever. It was all like, magical. Everything was falling in place, and I loved the process, especially the location. We were shooting in a remote village,
Okay.
पटाम्बी. It was a 300 साल पुराने घर में हम लोग शूट कर रहे थे, and पूरा एक वाइब, एक माहौल ऐसा बना हुआ था that I think सबसे ज़्यादा कोई शूट अगर मैंने अब तक मिस किया, that's my Malayalam film. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yes.
And is it available on any online platform where we can see it?
मैंने तो अभी शूट किया है. It will be there. It will come out बहुत जल्दी बाहर आएगी.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Looking forward to this
Yes,
one now that I
absolutely.
know you.
Yes.
इसके अलावा जब भी आप एक्टिंग की बात करते हैं तो बचपन से ना काफ़ी लोग होते हैं कि मुझे शाहरुख खान इंस्पायर करता है या मुझे ऐश्वर्या राय. आपका ऐसा कोई इंस्पिरेशन है दैट यू लुक अप टू कि यार ये लेवल पे पहुंचना है या इनके साथ काम करना है?
इरफान खान थे, unfortunately. अब now, and also I have always been in love with Shah Rukh Khan. And then the more films I've watched, I truly love Leonardo DiCaprio as well.
Any actresses that
Actresses,
you...
yes. Revati ma'am, Sridevi, and Kareena Kapoor. When I saw Jab We Met, I was like, oh my god. If somebody has to act, they have to act like her, Very
पता ही नहीं
natural.
चलेगी एक्टिंग
हाँ, very natural, A young college girl, full of vibe and energy. So
Right.
I just, it just got my attention.
अभी like when you started your career, I'm sure it has been almost like 5 साल से ऊपर. But last 5 years में Instagram, social media काफ़ी आ गया है. And the dynamics of casting a person or considering a person
Yes.
for a job is like Instagram followers है तो consider करते हैं.
Yes.
वो चीज़ आपको कितना अफेक्ट किया आपके करियर में?
Affect करता है, but I think it's a beautiful platform. Every individual should use it. It's like your own thing. ये आपका
Right.
अपना बनाया हुआ business है या काम है, जो भी है. But me as an actor, कुछ लोग influencer बन के actor बने हैं, कुछ लोग actor बन के influencer बने हैं.
हाँ.
So that was my journey because I was involved in too many places. So I thought कि
Right.
Yeah.
So Instagram is kind of like working out for you.
to a certain extent. I think I am sure I'll work more at it, but yeah.
आपने ये भी बताया कि आप बॉम्बे आए थे विद द होल एजेंडा कि एक्टिंग ही करनी है.
Definitely.
जब आप कहीं से बॉम्बे आते हो सबसे पहले आप गलत लोगों से मिलते हो.
Okay.
Well, how was your journey to actually root it through the first project?
Honestly, I was a very shy person. तो अगर कहीं से भी कोई अच्छा है या बुरा है, वो तो बात की बात थी. I was so shy that I only used to step out for work only. So yeah, because that was an advantage, like.
But people say कि आप socialize करो, parties में जाओ,
Right.
all of it. Then there are these people जो आपको ऐसे लेच करेंगे, अरे मेरे तो इसके साथ contacts है, उसके साथ. कभी ऐसा कोई scam हुआ?
No, as I said, I'll tell you one more thing which you don't know about me. I am somebody who's very, very, you can say, spiritual or religious. So, I don't know, like, मैं इतनी shy थी कि like instinctive थी. So, गलत और सही तो पता नहीं, but then
वो कभी कभी vibe भी आ जाता है कि
vibe आ
गलत
जाता
है.
है, and then you have this gut feeling के and also मैं दिल्ली से मॉडलिंग करके आई थी. So very protected child, but my parents knew that she would fly off. But I don't know, ये सवाल पहले भी लोग पूछते हैं, but then I just feel कि गलत और वो जाने. मुझे इतना पता है they have this call time is coming, advance is coming, shoot is happening, then I am more than happy to come and work for you.
Right.
Yeah.
Fair enough. And I
Yeah, I
think कुछ लोगों को knack होता है, कुछ लोगों को नहीं होता है, and I think you were lucky.
Women have it. I don't you feel that we all have, हमारे पास वो sixth sense है, like
वो है.
we have
But
it.
sometimes वो दिमाग काम नहीं करता है, तो पता नहीं.
Okay.
I don't know. Like a lot of girls, वैसे like I've spoken to.
You are very blessed. Even if you have one good friend to guide you in Bombay, I think you should thank your stars.
That is true.
Yeah.
That goes
And your
without
mom is
saying.
just a call away. You can always take
Yeah.
guidance. So yeah.
तो अभी आपका क्या plan है आगे? Like what is in the pipeline? Where all can we see you?
Pipelines. So I think I'll keep my fingers crossed because the dynamics of the industry in which we work, वो थोड़ा सा रहता है ऐसा कि like pipelines, you should wait patiently, like how I was waiting after my web series and this film just happened. So, you know, I'm a Sagittarius, and Sagittarius means there's, you know, if you see the symbol, there's a bow to it. I'll keep going ahead, and whatever has to happen will happen. Like I won't stop. I'll keep working hard, and जो होना होगा opportunity, it will happen.
Any
Sooner or
film
later.
that, you know, any film that you saw and you're like, shit, yeah, I should have been a part of this.
In recent times, I would say Mimi affected me because it was a movie about a woman who just gets pregnant for some reasons, and then she is the single mom, you know. So I feel a lot for women. तो मुझे लगा वो रोल मैं कर लेती, मुझे
Which
लगता
film was this?
Mimi.
Acha, the Kriti Sanon
Yes,
one. Okay.
yes, that affected me a lot, you know. And even with their balance film, if you see, I'm forgetting the name, जिसमें वो डिटेक्टिव, that lady, जो thriller movie है,
जासू नहीं
नहीं उससे
I
पहले.
don't remember. हाँ, but fair enough, मैं समझ रही हूँ
Yes,
हाँ कौन
yes.
सी मूवी.
So that one, and definitely iconic. Yeah, मतलब I'm not from America, I'm not a citizen of US, I'm Indian born, but then अगर एक Titanic मिल जाती तो I think
Of course.
yes, I
हाँ.
mean some
That's-
iconic film, you know.
Of course, 100%.
Mother India is something which touched me as an actor. And imagine the role being played as a young mother and as an old lady, Dadi Amma, जो उसमें portray किया था. Transitions,
right.
yeah. So yeah, and a film like Black, wherein Rani Mukherjee is sort of deaf and dumb, and
Right.
So yeah,
You can show your acting there.
definitely.
You know, बात करते हैं, you know, you staying by yourself here and, you know, you trying to get, you know, benchmark in this industry. बहुत बार rejections होते हैं audition में, and कभी कभी लगता है यार मैं छोड़ दूँ यार नहीं करना. वो टाइम पे mental health और ये चीज़ों को आप कैसे संभालते हो?
Exactly, you have a point. वो रोज होता है, वो रोज लगता है.
Right.
And then it's the toughest battle you fight. And but then you need to let go of those, you know. if अगर ठान ही लिया है तो फिर तो घबराना ही नहीं है. अगर जज्बा है कि मैं पूरे समुद्र में एक मोती ढूंढ के निकालूंगा अपने लिए, तो फिर तो आपको लगातार वो करना ही पड़ेगा. नो मैटर द फेलियर, द हार्डशिप्स कितना भी हो जाए. नेक्स्ट ऑडिशन, you always need to ask every day what next.
So you keep going attitude.
Yes, that's what take you forward. I mean, you can't just sit and think मुझे reject कर दिया. No, because when this film happened, they told me we were looking for a woman exactly like you with same lips and eyes proportion, this and that, and then the role will find you. You keep going and the role will finally one day it will find you.
आप मॉडलिंग में थे, स्टाइलिंग में थे, एक्टिंग में हो. सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस, लुकिंग द परफेक्ट, you know, way that, you know, director wants or that particular body. How do you maintain, like what is your fitness go to?
Mentally, I would recommend some meditations, and physically, I would say yoga. You know, it's nothing, it's no rocket science, it's very simple. You need to be fit on both the levels, mentally and physically.
Correct, they're correlated.
Exactly, yeah. Mentally also you'll be very motivated. आप बहुत अच्छा फील करेंगे अगर आप meditations करते हैं, because वो तो चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से हर एक एक्टर को, because daily rejections किसी करियर में होता नहीं है. और I think ये वर्ल्ड का सबसे टफ करियर है, तो इसमें तो आपको दोनों
hand in hand,
and then good diet, good diet, yeah.
Of course. ठीक है, हमने काफ़ी सीरियस बातें कर ली है, so now we'll move on to the rapid fire round.
Okay,
So let's begin the rapid fire round.
sure.
Heroine or villain, what excites you more?
I think villain.
One actor you dream of working with.
Johnny Depp.
Most embarrassing audition memory.
Like I told you, the one I was not willing to send, and then it turned out to be favorable.
One role that changed your life.
I think Malayalam film should definitely change my life. Yeah.
Web shows or movies?
Movies, absolutely. First love.
Ethnic or Western?
Since I love styling, I think Western.
One director you wish calls you tomorrow?
Oh, Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
A co-star that you had great chemistry with?
Everybody was great, but लेकिन ठीक है अभी I think और काम करने के बाद I explore करते हैं अभी थोड़ा.
Options देख के फिर अच्छा.
हाँ, yes, exactly.
Your 3 a.m. go-to snack?
I think वो हर इंडियन का snack है मैगी.
Maggie, okay. One ouch moment during styling?
I can't think of any. Oh yes, I left a bag once I was styling for somebody. तो उनकी बिल्डिंग के नीचे बैग कब छूट गया मुझे पता नहीं चला. नेक्स्ट डे उनका फ़ोन आया कि आप बैग ही छोड़ गए बिल्डिंग के नीचे कहीं पे.
तो वैसे के वैसे
वो वैसे के वैसे मिल गया बट देन
lucky you.
yes.
Define Neha Chawla in one word.
I think determined.
Okay, this was a fun rapid fire round.
Thank you.
और जाते जाते to all the audience, to your fans, any message that you want to convey?
Yes, I mean, fall in love with yourself and श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं because I'm a huge कि जो अपना हित नहीं करते भगवान भी उसका हित नहीं करते. So I think fall in love with yourself and बाकी सब लोग आपके साथ प्यार करेंगे ज़रूर. जब भी कभी लगे तो remember you are special and आपके जैसा कोई दूसरा नहीं है. So
very wisely said. I think ये जो एक लाइन है वो I'll also take it back home. जो अपना हित नहीं करते वो भगवान भी नहीं करते. हाँ. It was a lovely conversation with you and I hope to see you at the movies soon.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.